Welcome back to Live from the Camper House Edition. My name's Tony, and tonight I'm making dehydrated zucchini and squash chips. I'm trying to be really quiet because everybody's asleep and it's late at night, but this just doesn't feel right. Yeah, forget it. Welcome back to Live from the Camper. Okay, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna have to keep my voice down. So what I've done is taken one zucchini and one squash, put it on my mandolin slicer and just slice some thin chips. See how perfect that turns out? Those make the perfect chips for dehydrating. So after you slice up your vegetables, you're gonna sprinkle it with a little seasoned salt. We're gonna throw them in the dehydrator racks and we're gonna dehydrate at 135 degrees for 7 hours. All right, let's go ahead and hit these racks with some Pam so those don't stick after they're finished dehydrating. And then just start putting the chips on. Then after you get your first layer on there, hit it with some seasoned salt. Spray another rack. Slide it in there and continue the process. I've seen a lot of people on the internet say, "Oh no, my racks are warped. Look, they dipped down." I called Ninja Foodi. It's supposed to be that way, so don't freak out. It's good to go. See, told you everybody was sleeping. All right, now just lift your lid. Carefully drop that dehydrator rack into your Foodi. And dehydrate at 135 degrees for 7 hours. Let the countdown begin. I'll see you in the morning. Well, good morning. While we were sleeping, the Ninja Foodi made magic. You want to see? Check it out. Look at that. Doesn't that look awesome? Healthy, delicious dehydrated squash and zucchini. Now, wasn't that easy? You just sliced up some vegetables, threw them on a dehydrator rack, threw a little seasoned salt on it, put them in at nighttime, wake up in the morning, healthy chips. I mean, really, look at that. Doesn't that look better than potato chips? You know they're better for you than potato chips. Now, do they have the crunch? Let's try it out. Let's try one of the zucchini chips. Oh yeah. Crunches like a potato chip. Get the saltiness from the seasoned salt. The zucchini tastes a little sweet. That's better than any potato chips you're gonna buy. Let's try the squash. Same thing. There's no reason to buy potato chips. Look, I really don't know what else to say. They're good for you, they're easy to make, and they taste delicious. What else could you want? So I have one question for you. You're looking for a snack? Good. Then get dehydrating.